If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello, everyone. Well, hello, Mr. Harper. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Good. Well, you know, I'm back from the dead. Well, kind of. All right. Hey, folks, this is Larry's Fountain Pens. You can find me on Facebook on Larry's Fountain Pens group. That's where I'm at. I'm on Instagram right now, but it's been a long time since we've been on here just to say hello to the group and see what's up. But hey, Frank Xavier from
Federalist Pens and Papers.
send me a bottle of the new anniversary ink, and it looks like this right here. Okay, and that's the 10th anniversary ink, and that's the Franklin 10th. Okay, or Franklin, that's how you want to look at it. Anyway, it's a nice black color for sure. You know, I don't know why I was thinking at one time, maybe it's blue. No, it's black. All right, so I've been up for a while, up and down like a seesaw with the health thing. So do I know what it is? We really don't. You know, I could be sick later or sick tomorrow, but God willing, I'll bounce back up. So I know that I haven't bought anything yet. And I want everybody out there to say special prayers for some people. For my good friend that stays silent. I'll give you his first name. Good night. What do you think?
About just the first initial.
Say it again.
His first initial.
Jay. Huh? Jay Carter?
Not me, no.
No, not you.
Another Jay.
And then forgive me because my memory, on the all serious note, I forget a lot of names. So it's James Chesney.
Chesney. There's a Chesney, yes.
Now he got a hold of me the other day and he's doing really bad. So send some prayers out to James. Okay. So have I changed any? Probably have. Do you think, Jake?
There had been some changes that we've had to adapt to.
I'm still goofy, crazy. I'm more forgetful nowadays. And you know, when I come to doing my pen reviews, I may say a pen name wrong or excuse me, or a nib wrong. So you guys want to forgive me on that. But I'm really trying to get back in the ball game. I'm really trying to push myself enough being in the bed, in the wheelchair, because that's my legs now. I use wheelchair. And we were going to have a special guest today. His name is Bart. But Bart talked to us earlier and said he's thinking about waiting, what? Jake?
Probably 1st of October for Bart to make his appearance.
All right. So, with that said, Frank Xavier from
Federalist Pens and Paper
was to be on today. We had a Zoom at 12. And but I'm thinking if he was at the pen show at not here in Fort Worth, elsewhere. And it's still going on. I'm not sure. It still takes time to get back home and all that other stuff. So we will find out later from Frank and go from there. Also, I want to make a shout out to Mike Green and wish him a lot of love out there. And he's going to be at the Dallas Pen Show. Check him out. He's got some hot stuff coming up. Hey, Mike, also, another shout out to Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution. A quick note for that. Kevin will be at the Dallas Pen Show as well. And Kevin's on Instagram as well. So you can see him on Instagram. Kevin has been giving a lot of classes how to use his pens. Because sometimes there are people that really aren't sure, does the piston go this way or that way, or do you fill it up and down, how? But there's a lot of important tips that Kevin is giving. It's like going to a free class, free. And while we're on Kevin, he has some really super nice pens at a great price. So you might want to check out his pen site as well. Peace and love, Kevin. Now, let's go to the ladies. No other than Lima from Pen Boutique. Hey, everybody get the clap. All right. The Miss Queen herself, Pen Boutique. Lena. So, help me out there for a minute. Jacob's trying to breathe, and you're over there what?
Lena is staying very busy. She has recently purchased advertising time on streaming television.
All right,
so
yeah.
You may or may not have seen that, but it's a really nice piece put together for Pen Boutique.
Gotta do it again. Lena. All right. I don't know if she's got the new office space or not. At one time they were going to move, but there's been a lot of raid and stuff. And you have to excuse my yawning and my breathing. So, as far as I know, everybody's well there. And my adorable doggy, a little bitty puppy, he's fine.
Bowmaster.
Now, Bowmaster rules. Don't forget that. Mr. Bowmaster. Who else am I leaving out? Probably a bunch of people. I have just forgot. So, when you start getting of age and some of us get forgetful and it's just what it is, I guess, and I have to live with it. But I still find myself back to the pen rope because I'm never going to give up. Now I need to get myself on these letters, isn't that right? That's hard to do.
Yes, we have a stack or two of pen pal letters that he has not written back to.
Yeah, and if I haven't mentioned your name, please forgive me. I tend to forget a lot. But I'm hoping the more I'm in this, the better it gets again. Okay, so uh, I was looking for a buddy's name. Nope, didn't find it. Anyway, and there's Lisa.
Brian and Lisa.
Hello to them from Anderson Pens, and I hear they're still doing well. Great job, great job. How about Liz Colton?
She's regular with your.
Yeah, hello,
pens,
Liz
huh?
Colton. How you doing, hon? How are them doggies? Help me out if you remember, because I really hard for me to remember.
Well, you've got those who are regulars. You've got Mr. Dan Roseberry, who is a
Yay,
rather
Dan, that's right.
regular.
Yeah, and how about the dentist, the doctor?
Oh, yes. I do apologize that I can't remember his name. Dr.
Like a law. How's that, Doc? So,
Joe?
Dr. Joe, I'm going to go with Dr. Joe. Hey, Doc. Now, Dr. Joe's got some hell of a pens. Woo! Dr. Joe.
And I have no excuse for not remembering names. I am entirely sorry. I should be.
And, well, God, sometimes I forgot Jake's name, don't I?
Occasionally.
Yeah, don't forget that. And, oh, back to Frank on Frank's Pens and Paper. Special hi to his brother and his father, beautiful wife, and that beautiful baby dog. Huh. Can't forget them, right? The reason why we're on today, just to let everybody know that I'm still alive, and there's a lot of stuff I need to catch up on that people have been asking. I'm not ignoring you, but sometimes I just feel and I go out. So I'm going to do what I can to get back in the game. So let me know on here if y'all getting any new pens, paper, notebooks, journals. Let me know. And see, there's stuff I want to ask now that I tend to forget. So if you can bear with me, but I'm still kicking it. Well, I'm going to cut it short for them, but don't forget, somewhere on the 1st of October, somewhere that week, I'm going to have special guests in and out of the pen room, but we can't tell you who or what he is. Right, Jake?
That's right.
Do we dare give his name?
No, yeah, we've already said that Bart will be coming by for a visit.
Yep, so we got to be watching an eye for Bart. Bart is a serious. That's it. I can't say anything else because I'll start giving it away. But one quick thing, because I have it. This is one monster of a pen. I think it's what was it
Giraffe.
The giraffe, I believe. I hope I got that right. It's got a gold nib on it. And Mike Green made me this pen. Beautiful pen. So let me show you how it writes. Don't go away. Stop! Yeah, my voice is about gone. But before I'm all gone, let me get this down. Okay. Beautiful. love the way that writes. It's been so long, you know. That's probably the second to the third time I've used it. Can we see that? Can they see that, Jake? Good.
Yes.
And that's the new anniversary ink I'm using in it from Franklin Federalist Pens and Paper. Well, Jake is now retired. As you know, he has a cancer. And he's doing okay right now. Sleeps a lot. But he's going to go part-time.
I am going to be a substitute part-time for some charter schools in our area.
Al is still at Walmart. Alan, come show your new shirt.
Here he is. Here's Alan.
In fact, here's Alan!
The mystery third is here.
Yeah.
Bend down so you can see your face.
Right there.
Keep going. Well, we've got a bottom half. There we go.
Ah!
This is Alan.
So that's his shirt. Okay. Okay. So anyway, they help take care of me. Huh. When Alan, don't forget. Yeah, he's over there. So I think Alan's already going to a nursing home, aren't you?
No.
No.
I'm going to be a crime thing in Walmart. No, really.
All right.
I was a witness to a guy shoplifting.
Have fun with that. All right, folks. Well, anyway, I've got to get something to eat. I am a diabetic. I'm starting to feel a little bad. So,
Hate that spaghetti.
okay, to everybody, hugs and kisses. Kiss you on to everyone. And I hope you all take this video because I love it.